Hello guys, my name is Prince Chinedu, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the most used shading techniques that artists use to draw. Firstly, we have the hatching, then the cross hatching, curve hatching, circlism, and dotting. Hatching is made up of lines. These lines can be used to draw textures on clothes and on fingers. Cross hatching is also used to draw textures on clothes, and people use to draw faces. Curved hatching can be used to draw lips and other textures. Circlism is my most favorite. I use it to shade. It is very favorite. Dotting, this technique is used to draw textures on faces. Now let's get right into the shading. This shading is majorly use of lines that are going in one direction. As you can see, the lines are going in one direction. And if you are using this technique to draw skin, please make sure to get the lines together as close as possible. In cross hatching, it requires two different opposite lines. It's similar to hatching, but the difference is that there is an opposite line crossing the first group of lines. And also, if you are using this technique to draw textures, please make sure you get the lines together as close as possible to avoid the pencil strokes to show, except you are not doing realistic drawing. The next is curved etching. This technique is very good when drawing things like lips, eye, the skin around the eyes, and it's a very good shading technique. I use it a lot in my drawings. If you watch my first video, I use this drawing a lot while drawing the apples. Circlism. In this shading technique, you can use it to create smooth effects, especially when you are drawing skin. This technique is the best technique if you are drawing skin. It consists of small circles overlapping each other. It gives you a smooth effect. So I recommend you using this technique whenever you are drawing skin, any texture that is smooth. This technique is the best to use. This dotting technique, it is used to draw textures on skin mostly while you are drawing pores I recommend you using this technique. So these 5 techniques, they are the techniques that are mostly used by artists whenever they are drawing, especially in realistic drawing. These 5 techniques are the most used techniques. So thank you guys. This is all from me for today. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.